harder than it looks, you guys.
Trying to get a good thumbnail.
That we YouTubers go through.
Yes. Oh, there it is.
Period.
It's a Mac fact, I'm in a black back, we never lack with that strap. I'ma drive through, but if we back, it's gonna clap, and that's that. I never tap if I don't like a hoe. You act like you like her though. Never backtrack if I ain't fucking with you, can't sit with us, but you might go. All my pretty bitches, house of ditty bitches, got a milli bitches on go. Those silly bitches, I'm Achilles bitches, yo pop, who the fuck wants smoke?
What to do? I'm gonna go ahead and start this because I'm pretty sure my phone is low on storage, so it might cut me off. So I'm trying to do it. But I know y'all say I'm on the floor again. I don't know what this is. I'm always on the floor because I'm using my desk chair to barricade my door. My children are running wild, so I don't feel like being bothered. I'm in my office on the floor now. Oh yeah, I have no idea what. Okay, so they put a smaller box in a bigger box. Hush! Oh, these are lights for my tent. I'm hosting a pop-up shop. Shopify. This is my card reader. I don't think I'm gonna open that because it might be boring, you know. Cool. These are flavorings for lip gloss. Gives it the beautiful scent, luscious scent, and to grow your accounts like Instagram. Okay, so for Instagram, you definitely need to follow people. You gotta follow people, like their stuff, comment, give them comments, and people will follow you back. Like, come on, bro. It's like YouTube. Oh, and Instagram. Like giveaways, you know, giveaways with a countdown thing. YouTube, because I've been growing. I never expected to. Oh my gosh, you guys, my freaking shades are here. Wait, bro, you can't tell me that these are not hot. Like, I haven't got a name for them yet, but they're gonna be on my site. Boo boo, they're gonna be on my site. Boo boo, you have to check this out. Unpack. Let me see. This cat eye. See what this cat eye do. Oh, it's stuck on my braid. Oh my god, it's getting hot. Nah, I'm gonna be showing too much, but it's lit. It's lit. It's a lituation. Like, it's lit. Like, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like, it's me. I win. So if you see a itty bitty piggy at the, okay, I'm getting beside myself. Let me come back. Okay, I just don't want to take them off. Like, it's my, like, and this is no. These are giving me Lil Kim Crush on You vibes. I be undressed in the bra, all see-through. But like, I had totally, like, I honest to God totally forgot that I had ordered those, and then I expect them to be here like much later. Like, and I'm not even ready. Like, I can't even model them yet because I don't have the hairstyle. You know, like, I picture myself, and when I have a vision, I have to follow out that vision. Like, I have a certain hairstyle, my outfit came, I'm gonna wear with it, and it's a motherfucker. But yeah, so like the hairstyle I'm gonna have with it, like, it's gonna be lit. Like, it's gonna be lit. Like, I don't even know like why you girls bother at this point. Like, it's me. I win. But
Nicki Minaj a fool for that one. Like, that's a classic line.
So,
like, you know, we girls used to time to
time
when we feeling ourselves. Like, I win, you lose.
So these are
I have everything linked down in my description box. You can get all this from Amazon. So just click on the link if you want to purchase any of these.
lip gloss tube. So, oh, I know what these are because they feel heavy and whatnot. Oh yeah, back to the okay, so if you got a Facebook business page, Facebook, so you definitely want to, and I was so prideful for so long, You definitely want to send invites. Everybody's not gonna like it, but just send it to whomever. Just send it to whoever you think. Just send some. Oh. Roller tubes. Yes, your girl is doing roller essential oils also. Now you know what? I'm waiting on something to go with these. Yes. It's a situation. Like, it's lit. Like, it's me. I win. So. And they are gold top dip. Gold top. Top dip. See, I'm so excited about these shades. I can't even think straight, baby. Like, I'm ready to get my hair right. And I just put these in like a few weeks. Maybe a week and a half ago. And I'm ready to take them right back out. Like, you know, I'm trying not to cuss. They come in right back out because I need to get my hair right for that. But anyway, so like I keep up with my followers, Instagram business page, Facebook business page, and YouTube. So, and subscribers. So this is just a little chit. I'm gonna do like a real business video one day because I'm not trying to make this real long. And support. You have to follow people. You have to like and comment, because how can you expect people to follow you and support you, but you don't support nobody else? Like, you're not Beyonce yet. So you gotta start. You gotta be humble. Like, you can't. Oh shit. Like, you can't just expect people to just want to support you if you don't support other brands. Like, that's not it. So I recently hosted a giveaway with a lot of other brands. KDK Beauty. I made my last video. So, you know, we all were supporting each other and whatnot. And that gave us a lot of followers, you know, doing a support giveaway and all that. So, Instagram. So, on July 31st, I think I had 100 followers on my Instagram business page. Then, you know, I write down, like, the date. Can't see it. I write down the date and how many I had. You know, and it just keeps adding up till I get to my goal. Same thing for YouTube. Now, I was very, very insecure about YouTube until I just you know what, just do it, just do this. And, you know, like, I was very insecure about doing YouTube because it's like so hard to gain followers or subscribers. But I started my YouTube August the 7th, 2019 with 0 subscribers. 0, like, I started everything for 0 though. And on August the 7th, okay, it was 0. August the 10th, it was 6 subs. August the 18th, 18 subs. September the 6th, 42 subs. October the 21st, which is today, I have 143 subs and counting. I'm gaining subs. You know, I haven't posted a video in like 2 weeks. I broke my ring light little phone holder thing, so I had to go buy a selfie stick, which I have never even owned one. I bought a selfie stick and I took off the little thingamajig and I put it on my own ring light. Boom, because I'm not finna buy a whole new ring light. I'm not finna buy the part to the ring light. Here it is. Ooh. This selfie stick was $4.99, and I took the whatchamajig off and put it on my ring light. Boom. And then I could use this to take a picture of my vacation because I never had a selfie stick before. But yeah, the same thing for like your Facebook business page. The same thing for that. So and I could have started with my real Instagram, like my personal, but I just wanted to I wanted to build. But that comes to the conclusion. I don't want to make this really long, so catch me on the next video. And I have a whole bunch of tips because I have like a whole bunch of notes with notes and stuff. So don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, share. I have a lot more in store. I have a lot of more tips. I'm still, you know, I'm a new business owner. I've been in business for, it'll be 2 months, like, you know, in a few weeks, but that's still fairly new. But yeah, subscribe. And order from me and my friend Quinnica Rod. She is the fairy godmother. I'm gonna link her stuff below too. This shirt came from her, which my boots are having a hard time staying in. Sorry, they're big. But yeah, it's lit. What do you have? It's deliciation. Talk to you later, subbies. Yeah, what's up and welcome back to Lash by Kia. Okay, today I'm giving you all the 90s vibe, baby. You know, long plaids, jean jacket. What this is? Fanny. Long nails, like, it's lit.